I got the Vego retractable hose reel set. We about to put this joker together. Let's get to it. All right, my phone kept overheating and I only had it out there for 5 minutes, y'all. Hey, filming in this Georgia weather ain't no joke. Um, anyway, so I ran to the post office real quick because my turmeric came in and got that all planted and everything. So now it's back to the retractable hose reel. Let's see what we got in here. Hey, look at that. We got some directions. I might need that. let me hold on to that. All right, so we got a nozzle. See how that works. It's like right here we got some quick disconnects. And also, this whole box is biodegradable, so I will be composting this box. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, get that out the way. So this is the mounting bracket. Let me get y'all up here so y'all can see me. So this is the mounting bracket, and this is the whole assembly right here. From the looks of it, should be pretty simple to assemble. I don't want to put that on the ground, so I'll put it right there. So from the looks of it, I need to attach this, then I will sit that on top of it. All right, well, let me get my make sure I don't need nothing else for that. Yep, that just go right on there. So let me get my impact, and then we're gonna go over there and we're gonna put this bracket on. Yeah, buddy. Yo, this thing, it took longer to pull it out of the box than to hook it up. That is insane. All right, so this is gonna hook up to my garden hose, and I think what I can do is take this here. Let's do. It's got a couple different quick disconnects on here. I think this one will go here. And then this one will go onto my hose and stick in there like that. And then I can just take the hose off and put the hose back on. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so let me take that off because it's easier to put this on the hose without it being on that. And then this right here. Oh, this is another attachment here. So let me get this off of here. So this can go right onto here, but I think this right here should go there. And then oh yeah, and then this goes in there like that, and that hooks in there. So now I can take this off and I can put this on. And this right here looks like it's a high pressure nozzle. That right there. So you just work it like that and it's a high pressure nozzle. Let me get some water hooked up and see how this thing operates. All right, she's filling up. Okay, so this is off right now. Oh yeah. Turn it on. Let it finish filling up. Oh wow. All right, and then I can take that off, put that on. Oh, that's nice. I ain't mad at that. I ain't mad at all. I wonder, it'd be nice if you had a good place to keep this on here, you know? I think that's the only thing they missing is a little storage compartment. Seems like there'd be plenty of room for it. Yeah, there's no place to store this right here at. So I will keep this in my toolbox. This is so cool. So now I can water these two beds with this hose. I can water anything over here with this hose. All right, so I chose this spot on purpose. So right now I have this 100-foot hose running to it from over there to at my water point. And what that's cool because I can just run it down the other side of that trellis and then run it right along here, and then I can maybe attach it over there, and then coil it up right here underneath the reel hose. And I also have, so y'all saw me, I can take this all the way down there and water those beds. This is 100 foot, so I can take it all the way down there, water all these beds. Sorry about the mess, y'all. I've been busy. And then I should be able to take it all the way up to the front and water the Vego elevated garden bed as well. Because this is only from here to the patio is about 60 feet. So it should be no problem for me to be able to water and the elevated garden bed, it rolls. So I mean, I can move it from there. It don't have to stay there. Y'all, this thing so easy to set up. I mean, literally, I screwed four. Oh, I got my socket down here. I screwed 4 screws in there, set that on top of it, put the quick disconnect on my hose and on the hose that comes with the reel. Did the same thing up here, and that's it. It's ready to rock and roll. I'm telling you, if you already know how to set this up, 5 minutes, and that's including opening the box, you can have this thing right here set up. So if you'd like to try out one of these, I have a link in the description below. Go check it out. It's a game changer. I don't have to pull that hose around no more. And I can use that hose just for inside the greenhouse and all the stuff that's on that side over there. And I don't have to keep pulling it through the side here and around here and all the way down. I'm telling you, y'all know, I'm preaching to the choir. I am preaching to the choir. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about, man. I don't even know why I even mentioned it. But nah, man, I love that thing. I love that right there. I'm gonna get a whole lot of use out of it because this side over here, I water by hand. So it's really gonna come in handy over here. And that's all I got for you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're gonna get content like this, a lot of DIY, garden walkthroughs, just homestead walkthroughs, pretty much a lot of gardening stuff. So if you like that type of content, go ahead, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a video. All right. So anyway, I appreciate you guys. Check out Vego Garden in the description below. I will throw up my discount code on the screen right now. So yeah, go ahead and take advantage of that. And that's all I got. I'll see you in the next video. It reaches with no problem.